Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of computer networks. In the simplest terms, a computer network is like a group of computers that can talk to each other and share stuff. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a bunch of friends and you all want to play a game together. You could all huddle around one computer, but that would be super cramped and no fun. Instead, you could each bring your own computer and connect them all together, so you can all play the game together from the comfort of your own setups. That's basically what a computer network does. But networks aren't just for gaming. We use them every day for things like browsing the web, sending emails, and even streaming videos. They're what make it possible for us to connect with people and information all over the world. Without networks, our computers would be pretty lonely islands. We wouldn't be able to share files, play games together, or access the vast amount of information available online. So yeah, networks are pretty important. Now there are actually different types of computer networks, each with its own scope and purpose. Let's break down a few of the most common ones. First up, we've got LANs, or local area networks. These are the smaller networks you might find in a home, office, or school. They're typically owned and managed by a single person or organization. Then there are MANs, or Metropolitan Area Networks. These are larger networks that can cover an entire city or campus. They often connect multiple LANs together and are typically used by organizations like universities or large businesses. And finally, we've got WANs, or wide area networks. These are the big boys connecting computers and networks across countries and even continents. The internet is a prime example of a WAN, spanning the entire globe. So whether you're sharing files with colleagues in the office, downloading music at home, or connecting with friends on the other side of the world, you're using a computer network. Pretty cool, huh? But how do these networks actually work? Well, it takes a team of specialized hardware to connect all those computers and devices. Think of them as the unsung heroes of the networking world. First, we've got routers, the traffic cops of the network. They direct data packets between different networks, ensuring that your emails reach their destination and your cat videos buffer smoothly. Then there are switches, which connect devices within a network. They're like the mailroom of an office building, ensuring that each data packet gets delivered to the correct computer. And let's not forget about the cables themselves. Ethernet cables are like the highways of the network, carrying data between devices at lightning speed. And then there's Wi-Fi, which uses radio waves to connect devices wirelessly, giving you the freedom to browse from your couch or even from your bathtub. No judgment here. These are just a few of the essential hardware components that make up a computer network. They might not be as glamorous as the latest smartphone or gaming console, but trust me, without them, we'd be living in a very different digital world. Section 4, IP addresses, your computer's home address. Now imagine you're sending a letter. You need to know the recipient's address to make sure it arrives at the right place. Well, the same goes for sending data over a network. That's where IP addresses come in. An IP address is a unique identifier that's assigned to every device on a network. It's like a digital home address for your computer, allowing it to send and receive data from other devices. Think of it like this. When you send an email, your computer uses the recipient's IP address to find their device on the network and deliver the message. Without IP addresses, our computers would be like ships lost at sea, unable to find each other or share information. It's these unique identifiers that make communication and data exchange possible in the vast world of computer networks. Section 5, the Internet, a network of networks. Now let's talk about the big kahuna of computer networks, the Internet. You've probably heard of it, right? But what exactly is it? Simply put, the Internet is a massive network of networks. It connects billions of devices worldwide, allowing us to share information, communicate with each other, and access an almost limitless amount of content. Think of it like this. If LANs are like houses and WANs are like cities, then the internet is like the entire planet, connecting everything and everyone together. From your favorite websites and social media platforms to online gaming and video streaming, it all happens thanks to the power of the internet. It's become such an integral part of our lives that it's hard to imagine a world without it. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to the world of computer networks. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how these amazing systems connect us all and power our digital lives.